Hi all, this is Preben from Denmark with my rusty English, and I'm not sure if you understand anything I'm saying, but I wanted to try to make a voiceover and check if anyone could understand what I'm saying. I wanted to give you the progress of the GG Loader, and as you can see here, you are now able to drive inside the car. Oh yeah, it's a pretty bumpy ride, this one. What we do is you just press F and you can enter the car or get out of it. See, just in, oops, out. If you look at the rotation of the player's head, it's not actually following the car rotation. It's trying to compensate for the bumpy ride, so just like a normal human would be try to do, it will turn the head a bit. You can see that in the distance, how the camera is rolling. Yeah, like that. It looks pretty great, I think. So I hope you like it. Also, I wanted to show you some other stuff, like how you define the car inside GameGuru. If we just close this one and go to GameGuru, I have it in a remote desktop here. So yeah, I made this quick level in GameGuru, and here we have the car that is driving around in a circle. I just click it and take properties. Now, what I do to get it running inside GG Loader is just to define in AE system main that is a car. So I just write car.lua and click on apply changes. That's it. Now when you get this level over to GG Loader, the car will run in a circle. That's how we have defined it. You could make the keys inside the GG Loader you have to press E to enter the car or something like that. That could be pretty cool. You can see here the simple functions we are using. If object Lua script equal car.lua, that's the one we just defined. Then it will rotate the car for testing, just let it drive in the circle, and have this move car function with the object ID and the train, and if you want it to move backward or forward, and the speed it should move, and how to rotate it, so you can turn in left or right. So it would be pretty easy to set up some keys and you can rotate in different directions. And the move car function will place the car to the ground and rotate it so it fits. So we don't have to do anything other than call the move car function. Another thing I wanted to show you is if you want to use a different terrain textures, it's now pretty easy. You can see here. If you read the documentation, you remember we created something called GameGuru TMP, a folder where all the media is placed and converted to PNG format. If you go into the terrain bank here, and in the GG Loader folder, where is it there? Where you have your projects, under media, you create a new directory and call it GG terrain. Inside this folder, you just select lava, ice. Let's try the ice. Some textures. It could be, you just select the textures you like to use. You don't need all of them, just the one you want replaced. And copy them to our project, GG Loader project, and yeah, that's it. You can now try to run it. Before we run it, I just want to show you here. You can, when you drive around the car, you can place the player in the driver's seat if you want. We can try to activate that also. That is inside the GG car AGC file. So we should now be placed in the driver's seat of the car. And we should have the new textures. So it should be icy. Ice 2 it was called. Yeah, it's now compiling. It is a very low spec Mac Mini 1.4 gigahertz computer, so it will take some time to compile. But that's okay. It's a fine computer, little computer. But I need something faster. Anyway, you can now see the car is driving around, and we have the ice. Oh, it looks pretty cold. Glad I made those decals. Some heat here, yeah, thanks. And the car is still moving. And those Rocky, that's Rocky, is really looking icy. Let's try to fly here and check it out. Oh, the texture is pretty good for the water. It also looks icy. That's good. The specular reflection, it has a lot of that in this texture, but it looks fine. Oh, there's the car. Oh, yeah, we should try to enter the car. Yeah, you can see we are now placed in the driver's seat. That's great. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. The QuickTime player I'm using here is eating up all my memory, and I don't have much of it, so I will end this now, and until next time, have a great day. Bye.